Hello, and welcome back to Tutorials Arena. Today we will discuss MCQs on topic computer networking. So let's get started. In the context of error detection, if the Hamming distance between two code words is 5, how many errors can be detected and how many can be corrected? The correct answer is option A, detects 4 errors, corrects 2 errors. Which OSPF area is known as the backbone area and is required for all other areas to connect to for inter-area routing? The correct answer is option B, area 0. During the TCP three-way handshake, what is the correct sequence of flag settings for the packets sent from the client to the server and back? The correct answer is option A, SYN, SYN-CK, ACK. Which of the following IPv6 address representations is the most compressed version of 2001:0 DB8:0000:0000:0000 FF00:0042:8329? The correct answer is option C, 2001, DB8, FF00:42:8329. Why is CSMA/CD collision detection not used in wireless networks 802.11? The correct answer is option C. Wireless nodes cannot send and receive on the same channel simultaneously to detect collisions. Which BGP attribute is used to prevent routing loops by tracking the autonomous systems a route has passed through? The correct answer is option C, AS_path. In a DNS resolution process, when a resolver contacts a root server and the root server provides the IP of a TLD server rather than the final answer, what type of query is being performed? The correct answer is option B, iterative query. Which ICMP message type is sent by a router if it cannot find a route to a destination network or host? The correct answer is option C, type 3, destination unreachable. In selective repeat ARQ, if the sequence numbers range from 0 to 7, what is the maximum window size allowed to avoid ambiguity? The correct answer is option C, 4. Which IEEE standard defines the encapsulation of VLAN tags in Ethernet frames? The correct answer is option B, 802.1Q. What is the primary difference between static NT and dynamic NT? The correct answer is option B. Static NT is one-to-one mapping. Dynamic NT uses a pool of public addresses. Which port number is used by the Simple Network Management Protocol, SNMP, for sending traps to the manager? The correct answer is option B, 162. The count-to-infinity problem is a known drawback of which type of routing algorithm? The correct answer is option B, distance vector routing. In the 802.11 MAC layer, what is the purpose of the RTS/CTS mechanism? The correct answer is option C, to solve the hidden terminal problem. Which HTTP/2 feature allows a server to send multiple responses for a single client request simultaneously over a single TCP connection? The correct answer is option C, multiplexing. A CRC, Cyclic redundancy check uses a generator polynomial g, x, equals x cubed plus x plus 1. What is the bit string representation of this polynomial? The correct answer is option A, 1011. In an IPv4 packet header, if the fragment offset value is 100, what is the actual byte offset of the data in the original unfragmented packet? The correct answer is option C, 800 bytes. In Spanning Tree Protocol, STP, which bridge property is used as the primary tiebreaker to elect the root bridge if all priorities are equal? The correct answer is option A, lowest MAC address. What is the correct order of the 4 messages exchanged during a successful dhcp address assignment? The correct answer is option B, discover, offer, request, acknowledgement. In multi-protocol label switching, MPLS, where is the label typically added to the packet? The correct answer is option A, between the data link layer header and the network layer header. Which version of SNMP introduced informs and user-based security models, USM, providing encryption and authentication? The correct answer is option C, SNMP v3. A network administrator needs to create 6 subnets from the network 192.168.10.0/24. What should be the new subnet mask? The correct answer is option B, 255.255.255.224. During TCP congestion control, what happens to the congestion window cwind size immediately after a timeout event occurs? The correct answer is option B. It is reduced to 1 maximum segment size MSS. Which attack involves an attacker sending spoofed ARP messages onto a local area network to link their MAC address with the IP address of a legitimate server? The correct answer is option A, ARP poisoning. How many physical links are required to connect 10 nodes in a fully connected mesh topology? The correct answer is option C, 45. In frame relay, which field is used to identify the virtual circuit between the DTE and the provider switch? The correct answer is option B, DLCI. The QUC protocol, used by modern web browsers, primarily runs over which transport layer protocol to reduce connection latency? The correct answer is option C, UDP. Which type of routing allows a sender to direct traffic to the nearest of a group of potential receivers sharing the same IP address? The correct answer is option D, Anycast. In traffic shaping, which algorithm allows for bursts of data up to a certain limit but maintains a steady average rate of output? The correct answer is option B, Token Bucket. Which phase of the TLS 1.2 handshake is responsible for the exchange of the digital certificate and the selection of the cipher suite? The correct answer is option B, Server Hello. Thank you for watching.